The episode starts with Grandma's brother trying to kidnap David, but the priest caught him.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
After that, Grandma's brother tells the priest in private to take David somewhere until the marriage is over. The priest was not happy, so Grandma's brother allowed David to stay in the priest's house for one day. After that, we see Nana and Grandma. Nana was taking care of the old lady. She even washed her leg. Then Grandma goes to the priest's house so she can see her grandson. She was in tears. She asks the priest a favor to take care of her grandson until the marriage is over, completely opposite to her brother wish. After that, we see a hotel owner, Sir Dollar Country Hotel, asking his workers, who is this woman renting a bedroom alone? The workers reply, she was looking for a man called Shifarao Makonnen. The hotel owner immediately fired her. He thinks she is some kind of cop because women never sleep in a hotel alone before. Then we see the new bride mother talking to grandma. She was pissed because David is still in the village. She asks grandma permission to take David somewhere until the marriage is over. Grandma did not agree. After that, we see David and the priest having breakfast, and Nana come there to take a medicine for her wound, and David realizes he is the reason for her wound, and David goes to Nana so he can ask her for forgiveness. She was extremely angry, so she was rude to him. After that, he listened when she called her sheep with their name. David was surprised. One of her sheep is called Ego, and David asks her why she calls him Ego. And Nana replies, he bullies the other sheep. This entertains David. After that, David asks Nana if she is Trongo's daughter. She doesn't respond. The final scene, we see husband and wife talking about David. They are worried because he is still in the village, so they start plotting to get rid of him until the marriage is over.